Good morning, student. In last class, we have also discussed about Geno and Dino rate list. But you have some problems, so again we are going to do page number 65. Now let's see. Dino rate list is given. Kind of junk and price per kg. Newspaper 6, iron 14, brass 180, plastic 12, waste paper 4 rupees 50 paise. You can see that the rate of 1 kg plastic is 12. So the cost of 63 kg plastic will be how much? 12 multiply 63. So how can we multiply these number? Let's see. We will break these number in tens and ones. Can write 60 and 3, 12, 10 and 2. Firstly multiply 10 with 60. Answer will be 600. After that multiply 10 with 3. You will get 30. Now multiply 2 with 60. Answer will be 120, means 120, and 2 multiply 3 6. After multiplication we will add all these numbers 600, 30, 120 and 6. Now sum of these number will be, you can see that 6, 2 plus 3 5, 6 plus 1 7. It means 756. So multiplication of 63 and 12 equal to 756. So the cost of 63 kg plastic will be 756 rupees. Now come to the next question. In this question, 63 kg plastic, Dino will give 756 rupees. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for 10 rupees. How much? 10 rupees. Cost of 1 kg plastic means cost price of 1 kg plastic 10, but sold 1 kg plastic for 12 rupees. It means SP, selling price 12. उसने 1 kg प्लास्टिक 10 रुपीज़ में परचेज किया एंड 12 रुपीज़ पर केजी उसने सोल्ड किया. इट मीन्स you can judge whether she get profit or loss. We can find out that she gets profit because she sold per kg plastic at 12 rupees and purchased it at 10 rupees. It means she gets profit of 12 rupees. How? 12 minus 10 equal to 2. So she gets profit 2 rupees per kg प्लास्टिक सेलिंग. जब वो 1 kg प्लास्टिक बेचती है तो उसे 2 रुपये का लाभ होता है, प्रॉफिट होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मच मनी डज सी अर्न फॉर 63 kg? वी हैव लर्न दैट एंड ऑब्जर्व व्हाट 2 rupees पर kg सी अर्न. सो सी अर्न्स 63 kg पर प्लास्टिक. हाउ यू कैन राइट 2 multiply 63 और 63 multiply 2. जब वह पर केजी प्लास्टिक सेलिंग पर बेचने पर 2 रुपये अर्न करती है तो 63 केजी पर कितना अर्न करेगी? यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 2 multiply 63 and you can multiply. Answer will be 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. It means she will earn 126 rupees on selling of 63 kg plastic. Is this clear? Now come to the next page, page number 66. Kiran sells 32 kg iron. How much money will Dinu pay for 30 kg iron? Dinu 32 kg iron के लिए कितना मनी पे करेगा? Watch this list again. Dinu rate list. When Dinu purchase some kind of item means junk, then he will pay for different types of junk. You can see that he will pay 14 rupees per kg iron. How much? 14 kg per rupees per kg iron. So question is that how much money will Dinu pay for 30 kg iron? He pay 14 rupees per kg iron. How much? 14 rupees per kg iron. So you have to multiply 30 with 14. So answer will be, 14 to the 28, carry 2, 14 3 the 42 plus 2 44. So answer will be 448. So Dhinu will pay on purchasing 32 kg iron equal 448 rupees. Is that clear? Again, Kiran buys 1 kg iron of 12 but sells it for 14 rupees. Means cost price of iron 12 and selling price of iron 14. Again she gets profit. And how much? 2 rupees. How much? 2. Profit 14 minus 12 equal to 2 rupees. कितना हुआ? 14 minus 12 equal to 2 rupees. You can see that she earns profit of 2 rupees on selling of per kg iron. So how much does she earn when she sell 32 kg iron? Again you have to multiply 32 with 2. So answer will be 32 multiply 2. So answer will be 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. And you can multiply this in another way by splitting up 32 into 30 plus 2. How? You can see that in box 30 plus 2. Now multiply with 2. 0, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Now add them. You can multiply 32 with 2. Answer will be 64. In another way you can multiply splitting 30 into 30 plus 2 and then multiply like this. 2 0 multiply with 30. Answer will be 60. 2 2 is 4. Now 60 plus 4 equal to 64. Is that clear? Okay. Next, this question is solved. The rate of per kg newspaper is 6. So the cost of 150 kg newspaper will be 152 multiply with 6, and you can say that multiplication here. Look, 152 is splitting 150 plus 2. Now multiply this with 6. Now 100 multiply 6 will 600. 50 multiply 6 equal to 300. 6 multiply 2 equal to 12. And after multiplication we will add 600, 312. Answer will be 912. So the cost of 150 kg newspaper will be 112 rupees. Is that clear? So come to the next question D. What does Dhinu pay for brass? How much money will Dhinu pay for 4 kg brass? So for this you have to know about 1 kg brass. Price of 1 kg brass. So Dhinu list again, watch. You can see that price of per kg brass equal to 180. How much? 180. So how much money will Dhinu pay for 4 kg brass? You have to multiply with 1 kg cost. So 4 multiply 180. Now multiply 4 multiply 0 0. 4 8 ja 32, carry 3. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3. Then Dhinu will pay for 4 kg brass equal to 720 rupees. Is that clear? So today again do page number 65 and 66.